Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth head-to-head comparison review about these trading platforms to help you decide if Moomoo or Fidelity would be a better choice for you. So let's quickly dive into it. Moomoo shines for active trader with commission-free US trade, real-time level 2 data, advanced charting tools, and access to global markets like Hong Kong and China. It's low cost, powerful, and perfect for those who love in-depth analytics. Talking about the good side about this platform, which is the pro, it includes strong tools, international access, and cheap trading, while the con side, which is the downside, are limited investment products and steep learning curve for beginners. Fidelity, on the other hand, is a trusted, all-rounded with decades of reliability, offering stock, ETFs, and manual mutual fund together with bonds, retirement account, and a powerful research tools. It's ideal for investors who want varieties of long-term security. Sometimes in their pros aspect, it's a wide asset selection, comes with a strong research and a great support, while the downside is that it lacks fewer advanced tools for day trading and less flashy mobile design. So in conclusion, Moomoo is still better for active global trader, while Fidelity is the smarter pick for diverse long-time investors. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.